Good morning.
Let's go, eh?
Have you secretly lapelled me up?
Imagine that.
We're going to Nambung.
Cheers, mate.
Salut. Welcome to Nambung.
Nambung. The place where you didn't think you'd end up.
We just checked into the Ritz, believe it or not.
And what a place it is. I think it might actually be better than the Ritz.
We didn't even know Nambung existed until we booked this place on Airbnb. And we just wanted a few days of R&R.
Doing nothing, shooting photos, getting back into the YouTube grind.
Bit of us on camera opposed to filming jobs for clients because we've been doing that a lot lately. Should we give the folk at home
A little tour.
a tour of the Ritz?
I think it's a good idea.
Let's get in there, guys.
Let's go. We got a caravan. Well, actually, no, it's not. It's the Ritz. This is the Ritz of all Ritz. So yeah, unlike Rosanna, if you're tuned in from Europe last year, unlike Rosanna, we got two Rosannas. So this is our first little area. We got a little cards table over here with some lovely curtains. Look at those curtains. Great. We didn't mention earlier, but we are the only people here at the moment, which is just bizarre, but also not because you're in Nambung. A population of 4, and 2 of those people are playing the campsite. Well, let me just go and get Jacob really quick. Oi, Jacob. Oi, get out of bed, mate. That's my bed. Oi.
This is very comfortable. Not only is this the master bedroom, it's also where the magic of Signor's kitchen comes alive. We've already got our organisation happening here. We've got an oven, so if we wanted to do a roast we could, but we're probably just going to snack more. We've got some good chat wine. We're going to be introducing you to that in a different video. They do great stuff.
There's not much to be said about this room, apart from stunning. Look at me. Do I look comfortable or what? And this is just one of the many poses you can do in here, mate. You can do the old, I might even end up here tonight asleep after a few too many beers. That's about it, really. Let's go. Good morning, welcome back. Our first morning in Nambung. The weather's great, it's not as windy at the moment, which is lovely. Just had a bit of bircher, I don't know if that wind's too strong or not, but just had some bircher. It was, as you can see by the bowls, really good. The day's ours. Oh yeah, we might go to Cervantes a bit later as well, but that might be just a little look to see what we're going to shoot tomorrow for a couple of vlogs, and then just chill. We're in no rush.
as we were living in our father's.
See you later, Nambung.
This trip didn't last so long, did it?
No, this trip was, unlike 3 months last year, it was 3 days this year. But God, it's been one hell of a ride. We've done so much, but we also haven't, which has been great. But yeah, goodbye the Ritz. You've been great. But on a serious note, guys, where are we going next? We need another adventure. This one's not even over yet, and we need another one. So, leave it in the comments where we should go, preferably in WA because, you know, COVID and borders and stuff. But mate, WA, where are we going next? What do you want to see? Until then, let's go.